Hello everyone, and welcome back to my beach walk travel blog. Today, we're soaking up the sun at the stunning Leblon Beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This beach is known for its sophisticated charm and incredible views, making it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Leblon Beach is celebrated for its beautiful, clean shoreline and calm, inviting waters. One of the unique features of Leblon Beach is its well-preserved natural environment. The beach is flanked by lush vegetation and offers fantastic views of the nearby Pedra da Gavia, a striking mountain peak that rises dramatically from the landscape. Another fun fact is that Leblon Beach is renowned for its excellent surfing conditions, especially around the Posto 11 area. Surfing enthusiasts flock here for the gentle yet thrilling waves, making it a hotspot for both beginners and seasoned surfers. If you're enjoying this beach adventure, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more scenic beach tours. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about Leblon Beach, or share your favorite beach memories. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Relax and enjoy the beautiful vibes of Leblon Beach.